Poloniex exchange pricing explained what you get for your money. Poloniex isn't just another cryptocurrency exchange. You won't believe the range of features packed into one platform. Most people get this wrong by focusing solely on trading fees, but the surprising truth is that Poloniex combines low fees with advanced trading tools, lending options, and high liquidity across hundreds of coins. Pricing on Poloniex is tiered based on your 30-day trading volume. For most users, the maker fee starts at 0.10% and the taker fee at 0.20%. As your trading volume increases, these fees can drop significantly, with top-tier traders paying as low as 0% maker and 0.5% taker fees. You won't believe the value of this. When executing large trades, savings can reach hundreds or even thousands per month for active traders. Poloniex also offers margin trading, crypto lending and staking, which adds value beyond standard spot trading. For example, staking coins like OST or TRX can earn passive income while your assets sit securely on the platform. Most people get this wrong by not factoring in these opportunities. They often overlook how these features improve overall returns. In conclusion, Poloniex pricing is competitive and transparent, reflecting the exchange's advanced tools, liquidity, and additional earning opportunities. By considering your trading volume, usage of margin and staking features, and your need for advanced order types, you can fully understand what you get for your money. Poloniex is more than just an exchange, it's a complete crypto trading ecosystem.